Trump says Iran war could end within weeks as regional escalation intensifies. President Trump suggests the Iran war could conclude within *2 to 3 weeks, hinting at a potential US withdrawal without Iranian concessions. Meanwhile, escalating strikes, including missile barrages on Israel and Gulf states, have disrupted shipping lanes and infrastructure. With US military reinforcements arriving, tensions rise as Iran and Israel exchange retaliatory attacks, while diplomatic paths remain uncertain. A special protein in your gut has the power to neutralize bacteria, science alert. Scientists have identified a gut protein that actively neutralizes bacteria, preventing its spread. This discovery highlights the protein's crucial role in maintaining gut health and could lead to new therapeutic strategies for bacterial infections and inflammatory conditions. More research is needed to fully understand its mechanisms. Social gaming platform Rec Room, once valued at $3.5 billion, is shutting down after peaking at a $3.5 billion valuation. Rec Room, the popular social gaming platform known for user-generated experiences, will shut down permanently on June 1. Fans and developers reflect on its rise and fall in the competitive virtual entertainment space. Leeds boss Daniel Farke gives honest reaction to facing Chelsea in FA Cup semi-finals. Leeds United, under manager Daniel Farke, faces Chelsea in the FA Cup semi-finals after a dramatic penalty shootout win over West Ham, ending a 39-year semi-final drought. Farke acknowledges Leeds as underdogs but emphasizes their hunger for victory, while striker Calvert-Lewin highlights the historic Wembley opportunity. Meanwhile, Chelsea secured their spot with a 7-0 win over Port Vale. Extra Mile raises $1.5 million in pre-seed funding to generate manga from novels. AI-powered startup Extra Mile secures $1.5 million pre-seed funding to expand its HANASE platform, which turns novels into manga using AI. Backed by Arbitrum Gaming Ventures and others. The tool lets writers create professional-grade manga without drawing skills. A closed beta is now live for select users. Games Inbox. Has the new Mass Effect been cancelled? Readers debate the uncertain future of Mass Effect. Rumored TV adaptation over new game. And Zelda remakes, questioning authenticity and Nintendo's approach. Uncharted rumors spark hope post Last of Us Online cancellation. While Pokémon Pokéopia*s addictive DLC hints at future content. PS6 pricing and Sony's Hollywood synergy vs. Nintendo's film success also spark discussion. Is Israeli PM new video with US envoy AI generated? Benjamin Netanyahu death rumors explained. Speculation arose on social media about whether a recent video of Israeli PM Benjamin Netanyahu with US envoy Mike Huckabee was AI-generated. Claims cite finger glitches and height mismatches. Rumors of Netanyahu's death spread, but officials denied them, confirming he is alive amidst ongoing Iran conflict updates. The most radical act in an age of outrage is to play. We are not divided by accident. We are distracted on purpose. The antidote to that manipulation is to reconnect with what makes us human. Often through something as simple as play. Spend 5 minutes scrolling, and you can feel the machinery of social media outrage at work. The pulse of outrage. The invitation to pick. This story continues at the next web. RFK Jr's awful advice, defector. The article discusses the intersection of food and politics, referencing government subsidies, working conditions for food workers, and the use of food stamps as political tools. It mentions the second Trump administration's policies regarding food stamps and alludes to advice, possibly controversial, from RFK Jr. concerning food choices. Microsoft Urgent Patch. Hackers exploit critical Windows and Office vulnerabilities. Microsoft released an urgent patch addressing actively exploited zero-day vulnerabilities in Windows and Office. These flaws, affecting components like Windows Shell and Office's document handling, allow attackers to execute code via malicious links or bypass security features. Users are urged to apply the updates immediately and reinforce security practices to mitigate risks. Gut response. After protein, it's fiber's moment on the shelf. Social media's maxing diet trends promote high protein and fiber intake. Companies are taking advantage of this trend, but experts advise balance, noting more isn't always better. Prioritize real food and consult a doctor for personalized nutrition advice to avoid potential health risks associated with imbalanced diets. Real food remains the best source for optimal well-being. Scientists have made French fry breakthrough, Wired.com. Scientists have achieved a breakthrough in French fry preparation, creating a healthier version that maintains the desired crispiness. The new method promises a guilt-free way to enjoy this popular snack without compromising on taste or texture, potentially revolutionizing the fast food industry. Our favorite upgraded gaming headset is $20 off. Discover the Razer Black Shark V3 Pro gaming headset. Now $20 off. This premium model delivers exceptional noise cancelling and immersive spatial audio. Perfect for gamers seeking an elevated experience. Upgrade your setup today. Tense pulses defeat fibromyalgia, pain and fatigue. Neuroscience News. A new study indicates that transcutaneous electrical nerve stimulation, TENS, can effectively alleviate movement-related pain and fatigue in individuals with fibromyalgia. This real-world research suggests TENS may offer a valuable method for managing fibromyalgia. Symptoms. SP. Italy Cortina d'Ampezzo Paralympic Winter Games Para-Alpine Skiing Women's Combined Standing. Sweden's Ebba Arsjo clinched gold in the women's standing combined event of para-alpine skiing at the Milan Cortina 2026 Paralympic Winter Games in Cortina d'Ampezzo, Italy, on March 10, 2026, marking a standout moment in the Paralympic competition. We're having a moment, fear and denial in Silicon Valley over social media addiction trial. A pivotal LA court ruling could reshape Meta and YouTube's future. As fear and denial grip Silicon Valley, the trial's outcome may spark broader industry accountability over addiction concerns. Will tech giants adapt or double down? Snapchat announces the Snappies, its first ever creator awards show. Snapchat unveils **** the Snappies, its inaugural Creator Awards show, joining TikTok and Instagram in celebrating top influencers. The event highlights the growing importance of creator-driven content on the platform, offering recognition and rewards for standout talent in the community. Varanasi, set pics unveiled. S.S. Rajamouli recreates city for Mahesh Babu. Priyanka Chopra and Prithviraj Sukumaran starrer. S.S. Rajamouli's upcoming film, tentatively titled Varanasi, is generating buzz online. Photos from the film's set, which recreates the city of Varanasi, have been leaked. The movie stars Mahesh Babu, Priyanka Chopra, and Prithviraj Sukumaran. Details about the film are still emerging, but the set photos hint at a grand production scale. 6.9% drop in Indian student numbers in US. Is the American dream fading? The number of Indian students in the US decreased by 6.9% between February 2025 and February 2026, dropping from 378,787 to 352,644. Stricter visa processes, including increased scrutiny and fewer approvals, are believed to be contributing factors to this decline in Indian students pursuing education in the United States. Singapore's inequality at record low, but fresh approaches needed to sustain progress. PM Wong. Singapore's income inequality is at a record low due to wage growth among lower-income workers and progressive taxes, according to PM Wong. However, social mobility is showing signs of slowing. The government aims to refresh approaches to ensure opportunities for all Singaporeans amidst global challenges, focusing on education, skills upgrading, and social support to ensure everyone can realize their potential.